In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a PDF searchable and selectable using OCR. Scanned PDF usually don't allow you to search, copy, or highlight text because they contain only images. OCR, short for Optical Character Recognition, recognizes the text and adds a searchable text layer, making documents much easier to work with. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this particular document, which is a scanned document, searchable and selectable. I'll just double click on it and it's going to open up Microsoft Edge. And if you can see, I'm left clicking and holding and it's not possible to search. Now, there are also a couple of words that you can see here like subtitles. If I press on Control F and search for subtitles, it's not going to recognize any of the subtitles right here. Let's change that. And for that, we're going to be using PDNob PDF Editor. Now, I'm going to leave the link in the description below for you to follow along if you'd like to. I've gone ahead and downloaded and installed PDNob, and I have it open here. So I'm going to get my scanned PDF, just drag and drop it right there. And once I do that, you're going to get more or less of a notification here. This is a scanned PDF. Perform OCR to make it editable or searchable. So simple, just click on Perform OCR, and from the new dialog box, it's the OCR settings dialog box where you convert with OCR to editable text, searchable text, text only, and of importance to us is searchable text. And once you select that, you can see that you can be able now to kind of search that particular text right there. What is the page range? I'm going to do for all the pages. That is page 1 to 3, and the document is in English. Now you can click on advanced settings, but for this video I'm just going to click on perform OCR. I'll click on that, and OCR recognizing is going to begin. The processing is super fast because our document does not have a ton of things to go with. Now you're going to get this particular new document, and if you can see, it's now possible to select it. Now let us save. Press on Ctrl S. It's going to bring you a dialog box right there for you to save. Click on save right there. And once you save that particular document, I'd like us to go back to our folder, and you can see the scanned underscore OCR. Just double click on it. It's going to open up in Edge, and if we actually try to select, it's possible to select. If we press on Ctrl F, I can now see the number of times the word subtitle appears. Now our PDF document is selectable, that is, you can select the text, and is also searchable. And that is how you can make a document searchable and selectable using OCR via PDNob. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.